Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Chrysler Capital customer service. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser. At the top there is address bar. You need to type down chrysler.com and enter it. And once inside this homepage of Chrysler, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom here and you need to go to this contact us here. And from here scroll a bit down again and go to this contact us here. And from here, you can simply get this number here. You can dial this number. Before contacting the support, make sure you have your Chrysler Capital account information ready for verification and never share your password or security code. And this number is available, and you can simply dial this number, and the representatives are available from Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. CT, and Saturday, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. CT. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.